Righto, continuing with our lessons on building custom audiences from website viewers. Today we are looking at how to build a custom audience from visitors to a specific page and not another specific page. What on earth are you talking about, Claire? Simple. If somebody lands on your opt-in page or your sales page, for instance, they may take a look at what you're selling or what you're asking them to opt into, and they might look and think, "Ooh, that's quite interesting. I'll come back to that later." So you're wanting to target these people who've looked on your page, but they haven't actually arrived at your thank you page at the other end. Hopefully that all makes perfect sense, yes? So they look at your page, take no action, and don't arrive at the thank you page. So I'm going to show you now how to do that. So what we shall do here is create the audience, custom audience, website traffic once more, and we'll pull this drop down box down and we will look at people who visit specific web pages but not others. That is really tongue-tying. Try to keep saying that sentence over and over again. Here we go. So again, you've got that option URL contains, so that will search all of the pages with that word in, or URL equals. So we're going to go with URL equals for this one, and we'll put example.com/, we'll buy some shoes again. So to track these people who have looked at buying some shoes but haven't bought any shoes, if that makes sense, I'm going to put URL contains thank you. So that would be your thank you page. Now, if you have numerous pages with the word thank you in, you will have to change that to the URL equals, yeah, and put in www blah 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 example.com thank you shoes, for instance. So whatever your thank you page ends in for that specific product or page. Yes, makes sense? So just make sure you've got the right bit in there. So URL equals is the entire URL. URL contains will search all of your pages for those words, for URLs with those words in. Yeah, makes sense, kids? Awesome. Again, you've got how far back do you want to track this? You can take that as far back as 180 days. And then you're going to have to give that a name. So we're going to call that viewed shoes did not purchase. So you can call that whatever you fancy, as long as it makes sense to you when you go back to use it later. So we will create the audience from that once more. And again, Facebook says thank you, and they will take an hour or so to start to build the audience. Obviously, if you haven't got a great deal of traffic, or it's a new product or a new landing page you're promoting, it's going to take a while for that audience to start building up. And this is why I always say you need to start running ads ages before you are desperate for a sale. Yes, because it takes a while for all of this to kick in. Make sense? Absolutely perfect. Awesome. I shall see you in the next lesson. Cheerio.